This is our lovely dining room, and we decorate it every Christmas with our Snow Baby collection. Jeff and I started them back in 1991, and we actually have our first...
Talk about your chandelier, because I'm focusing on the chandelier right now.
And the chandelier, this is our wizard that watches over the Snow Baby Village.
Yeah.
And I decorate every season. I change out my chandelier to represent the season. And he's our whimsical wizard that watches over our snow babies. And this is our snow baby from the person who designed Snow Babies was in Disney World, and that's how Jeff and I got hooked on it back in 1991, and our collection has grown and grown and grown.
We're
and
gonna go down the table.
Every Snow Baby tells a story. So,
All gold.
Yeah.
Gold and cream, and then over here is the...
yeah.
And over here is the little ones.
Version, like Hummel is what?
I think, yeah. So,
And there's Eileen in from the Wisconsin. Hi, Eileen. And Jackie made it over here finally.
After I bought my post-Christmas tree,
yeah.
American style.
Yay,
Pre-lit,
woohoo.
9-foot pre-lit.
And now where are we going?
Watch the cooking shows all the time.
We're going out. Can you tell we got our coats on? Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next year.
Merry Christmas.
Visit YouTube.